Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know you saw the thumbnail. I have a massive box from Boxycharm. We're going to be doing a full unboxing and talking about a whole bunch of products. Basically all of the details surrounding the huge Boxy Pop-Up event that is happening online basically as we speak. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. And that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see all the goodies Boxycharm sent me and be entered into a giveaway, keep on watching. Alright, so as we go through this video, I'm going to tell you what items are going into the giveaway. There's a lot in this box and I am not keeping all of it. Some of it will be going to one lucky winner. All you have to do to enter to win quite a few items actually is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below with which product you are most excited to get or what you'll be looking forward to on the Boxy Pop-Up. So first I'm going to go over the details of the Boxycharm Pop-Up launch. Just pulling up my notes because I need my notes. Okay, so first thing, the Boxy Pop-Up is going to be open to all Boxycharm subscribers. It is an online store that they open up with a whole bunch of stuff. The way that it works is with your subscription, you get access to this pop-up store. Everything in there is discounted up to 80% off of retail value. So there are items that retail for $500. There's items that retail for $30. All of them are going to be discounted and at a steep discount just for subscribers to get their hands on. The Boxy Pop-Up is going to be happening 4 times a year. It's going to be February, May, August, and November, which means obviously it's November. There will be a pop-up this month. Boxy Pop-Up event is going to go live on November 12th. You'll have access to so many great products. And honestly, I'm really excited just to show you guys what's in this box because it is massive. I am really excited. So I'm going to jump right into the box, but big things to remember. 4 times a year, November is one of them. It's going to open November 12th. And something else I did forget, Boxy Pop-Up items shipping is going to be a flat rate $5 for items ordered. Whether you order 1 item or 30 items, it is a $5 fee per transaction, and that's going to cover all of your shipping. And those items are not going to ship with your regular Boxycharm box. They are going to ship separately. So, you've been waiting long enough. Let's jump in the box. So, I'm going to just, rather than holding this up, I'm just going to keep the box on my desk, but it is packed of goodies. First item out of the box is going to be going in the giveaway, actually. This is the Luxie Face Essentials Rose Gold Brush Collection. I love Luxie brushes. I have so many of them. In fact, I've already received this kit. I believe I've gotten it twice, actually. Because the month that this was in the box, I got it, and I got it in PR, so I've already given it away, and I had one. So this one's going to go right in the giveaway. It comes with a large powder brush, the tapered face brush, the blending brush, a large angled brush, a foundation face brush, and a flat brush. This is everything you need for foundation, concealer, bronzer, anything for your complexion. The quality on these Luxie brushes is actually really quite nice. You guys have seen me use them hundreds of times. I used their eyeshadow brushes today. They're an amazing quality brush, but they're also an affordable brush. And this kit is going to be amazing for whichever one of you gets the giveaway. And don't forget, even if you don't win the giveaway, don't worry. All of these items will be heavily discounted at the Boxy Pop-Up. Next item out of the box. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. Now, I have 3 of these. Not of this exact shade, but I don't even know where it is in my drawer, but I have 3 of the Shimmering Skin Perfectors, and I'm going to be completely honest, I don't personally use a lot of liquid highlighters, so this is going in the giveaway. I am going to show you guys the shade, however, because it is Champagne Pop, which I know I had somewhere around here. It is the highlighter I'm wearing today. This is the tone of Champagne Pop. It is a really beautiful champagne shade that is quite flattering on all skin tones. I've even seen this used very lightly, but I've seen it used on deeper complexions, and it still looks stunning. Next, from Living Royal, these are socks. They say rosé all day, and they are machine washable, but they're very, very soft, so cute little pair of socks. Guess what? Giveaway. This is the R&Co Foil Frizz and Static Control Spray. No one likes frizzy hair, so use this to de-static. Lately, I've been using a lot less product in my hair, so I'm actually going to keep this because I'm curious to know how it works. I'm really into texture sprays, dry shampoos, hairsprays, and most importantly, frizz control. This I've actually, this has already been claimed. Brandon said he's taking it. This is the Kopari Coconut Lip Love. Where's my lip glosses? I have 6 of these scattered around my house, in my car. I use the Laneige water or lip mask, and I use these pretty exclusively when it comes to lip hydration. I'm obsessed with this formula. It is beautiful, and the second that I opened this box, Brandon was like, that's mine. Comes in a cute little thing like this. Unscrew it, squeeze it, apply it. It has a really nice coconutty scent. It is quite glossy, so it is going to give you a nice glossy finish. You guys have seen me use it on camera before. You've seen me use it in favorites videos. That is mine. Next, from Living Proof, this is the Style Lab TBD Multitasking Styler. It is a styling cream in a squeezy bottle. I've currently been using the Living Proof thickening cream, and I like the way that that kind of gives me a little bit of volume and the way my hair sits with it. So I am actually going to pass on this and throw it in the giveaway as well. Just know if you want that messy style, or you really just want to tame before you blow out, this is going to be great for you. I believe apply to damp hair, massage liberally through, scrunch, and tussle. That's actually going to be really nice for people with longer hair. But for someone like me, where this is kind of, I zhuzh and I blow it a little bit, that's about all I do. I don't really need such heavy products. Next, from Perricone MD, this is the No Makeup Instant Blur Compact. It is a balm that you use to kind of press into the skin to prep it to help control oil and control the shine and pores. Definitely something I'm keeping. I'm not super familiar with this. I have researched the Perricone line, but it's actually something I have never used, so I'm excited to try something like that out. Next up is the Benefit Professional Primer. This is a ride or die holy grail primer for a lot of people. I am dropping it in the giveaway just because it doesn't agree with my skin. For some reason, every time I use it, I find that my makeup will actually separate just because my skin is so oily, and this is silicone base, and they don't kind of work well together. So if your skin is a little drier, or maybe you're just using a different combination of items, you might love this. It's just not a primer that I'm super in love with. Full disclosure, I'm not a huge fan. However, my loss is someone else's gain. I'm going to drop that in the giveaway. Next is the Daily Concepts Beauty Headband to control your hair. This actually feels really soft. I did already feel it. It's like fleecy. Because my sister saw the box, she's already claimed this. So this is not going in the giveaway. I am giving it to my sister. I do like to share the wealth with you guys. But every now and then someone in the family is like, ooh, I want that. And I can't bring myself to say no. But it is beautiful. It's pink and she's going to love it. Next, this is from Hum. This is the Collagen Pop Premium Marine Collagen and Vitamin C Skin Boost. It is a drinkable supplement. There are 10 applications in here. I'm keeping this because I'm actually really interested in supplements. I honestly don't take too many. I have tried Halo Beauty from Tati Westbrook and Glam Life Guru on YouTube, and I did like them, but never gonna give up an opportunity to try something new. So that's going into my pile. Next, we have the Miracle Brush. This is from Layla Milani. It is a silicone fiber brush, and it is a really cute Tiffany blue color. I wish that I could use this. I mean, I guess in theory I could. However, I feel like it's such a waste. My hair is so short. So that's going to go into the giveaway as well. So hopefully one of you can really enjoy this. And the last item. This is from Soleil. This is the Rose Gold Professional Flat Iron. This is going to be a straightening iron. I'm undecided as to what I'm doing with this because I really do want to drop it into a giveaway. I just don't know if I want to drop it into this giveaway. So I'm going to let you guys know. You might see this in an upcoming giveaway in the future. But for now, I am going to hold on to it just because, I don't know. I want to do something special with this. It retails for $500. Like, I'm definitely gonna want to keep an eye on this and figure out what I want to do with it. But based on all the reviews, it is really great for straightening your hair without stripping the moisture out of it or without burning or scalding the hair. Definitely something for people who like to straighten their hair every day and they don't want to continually damage. I am going to say this now. so I can say that I said it. If you are using any heat styling products, make sure you're using a heat protectant on your hair, and make sure you check the temperature, because a lot of these products get hotter than heat protectants do. Make sure that you are using your heat protectant to protect the cuticles of the hair, and you are making sure not to overly use the temperature on these products. You don't need the 500-degree temperature to straighten your hair for the most part. Most of you can get away with 350 to 325, and that's it. So please be mindful and protect your hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. What are you most excited for? What are you going to pick up when Boxy Pop-Up launches? And what are you hoping to get in the giveaway? Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.